How are we, YouTube? Hope you're all keeping well. George here, and this is radio number 1 of Billy's that has been done. Superstar 3900 EFT, and it came here with the white normal face. So we got a decal done, and looks quite good now in the black. We changed the channel and the frequency displays from red to blue and put a bit of, these have like a smoked plastic lens in front of them, so I have some dark blue film in front of that, and it just tones it down nicely. And we went through everything. We serviced all the rotary controls, and we went through the full alignment procedure. These are a pain to do because there's like I think there's 12 steps or something like that into getting these things aligned, because of the frequency spread it has. So let's see, so it goes from 24 405 on the low end. The other hand, go all the way to the top. 29,655 on the high end. So all the usual. Now the only thing I don't like about these is the clarifier that's in them is a sealed type job. You can't denotch them. I tried doing it with one here before, and I ended up having to put a single 10 turn clarifier in it, and the notch is quite pronounced on these, so you have to kind of fart around with it to get it on to 0. You have to keep kind of bumping it, but once you get it there, it stays there. So we done the white face meter, blue backlight, and give it a good clean. Case is not the best on it, and a few marks on the chrome, all the way around. But the chrome on these later radios, it's not like the chrome on the older stuff at all. So yeah, but it came out well. So we have it on dummy load here now, and we're on AM. We'll turn the RF power down to the last, and we're seeing 5 watts. 1 2. Some nice swing there. So we'll turn the RF power all the way up. 1 2. 1 2 1 2. I don't have the correct power lead for this, so I'm just come on. Anyway, so we go on to, we have the RF power wide open. We're on sideband. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Test audio. Seeing 25 watts there, and it looks nice on the scope. Audio 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Hello radio. 1 2 3 4. 1 2. Hello hello. So we go to lower sideband. 1 2. Again, seeing the 25 watts there, and that's just with a normal non-amplified dynamic microphone, and just talking into it normal there, and seeing it peaking up anywhere 15-20 watts on the peaks. 1 2 1 2. There's the mic gain up full. It is. Now if you were to put a power mic on it, we'll just do that for the crack. We'll put the old teardrop on it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so we have the old 575 on it there now, and give her a little bit of oomph. 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can see it's talking higher now on the. I'm just speaking into the microphone the same distance away as I was with the dynamic there, and she's peaking out like 25 on the voice peaks there, and still looks pretty decent on the scope. It's not over modulating really. You know, you'd have to play around with the drive level to get everything right. So what I mean by that, if we back off the mic gain to about there, and the radio will still pretty much talk the same, but you just modulation is a lot cleaner, you know, and that's kind of always the way you should be running. Well, it's the way I always run power mics, is to back off the mic gain. And yeah, so it's on lower side band. This clarifier thing just does my head in, because you can't bloody denotch them, you know. What can you do? It just is what it is. It's part of it. So yeah, other than that, all the usual new case screws, and had a bit of damage on the back case there. It was bent in one corner, so we fixed that. And yeah, the decal kind of sets it off, I think. You know, I cleaned all the knobs, done the chrome, blue lines on all the knobs, and took off the buttons here and cleaned them. You know, and it makes all the difference. It just makes the radio look that much sharper when you have everything clean and tidy. So he's got a couple of these already. I think I done one of them for him here before, and I think he actually picked up that one I was talking about with the 10 turn clarifier on it. I'm not sure. Billy has a nice collection of stuff, and I've done quite a few radios for him now at this stage. So that's the Superstar 3900 EFT for Billy, and another one for the collection, Bill. And we'll get you all again in the next video. Bye bye.